Here are the 5 most dangerous animals in the world, and number 1 might surprise you.
Venomous snakes kill thousands of people every year with their deadly bites. The mosquito is the deadliest animal in the world. It spreads diseases that kill over 700,000 people every year. Crocodiles have one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom and can attack humans in seconds. Hippos may look calm, but they are extremely aggressive and kill many people in Africa every year. The box jellyfish is one of the most poisonous creatures in the ocean. Its sting can stop a human heart.